Here we're featuring at Howard Miller our exclusive limited edition grandfather clock. J.H. Miller, named after our founding father. As you can see, this exquisite detailing on this limited edition clock really allows you to really showcase a beautiful piece of furniture within your home. It will be a showstopper for everyone to see. It has 16 different species of wood, and as you can see, the dial is beautifully intricate details from your moon dial to the dial itself, and it will have numbered what number you have received from Howard Miller. It also has the triple chime, which plays St. Michael's, Whittington, and Westminster, along with your automatic nighttime feature. What also sets this clock apart from anything else is as we move inside, it has tubular chimes, which gives off a beautiful sound.